Hello, Tiffin family, and we're back with part 2 of our series. Today we're going to be talking about tearing down your motorhome and what all the procedures are that we go through for this process. So Shawn, take us through our first 4 processes and let's talk about them.
All right, the first step you want to take is dumping your black tank and flushing it. So you want to dump your black tank. After you dump your black tank, you want to flush it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And then dump whatever you flushed. Then follow behind with the gray tank. That will make sure that your tanks are empty and clean before you transit, as well as you want to fill up a little bit of fresh water just in case you might need it going down the road. The next thing you want to do is disconnect from shore power by turning your breaker off and disconnecting power cord from shore power. Then you want to disconnect your city water and hook up your tow vehicle as well.
Now our next 3 steps is going to be performed inside the motorhome, and these steps are going to include looking over the floor just to make sure there's nothing in front of the slides that your rollers might run over. And then we're going to look at the spider panel, and we're going to bring in the retract the slides in. And just a few things we want to make sure before we hit the road. We want to make sure that our jacks are fully retracted. We want to do a walk around of the coach to make sure that we've picked up everything. And we want to check our tire pressure monitoring system on our dash panel. And then we want to check our trailer brakes. Tiffin family, we hope this video helps you. We appreciate your business. And until next time, safe travels.